Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about the 5 best photo editing apps for iPhone and iPad. While Apple Photos app has vastly improved and offers a good collection of basic photo editing tools, it always better to have a fully featured photo editing app at your disposal. So whether you want to add on your images for posting on Instagram or amp up your Snapchat story game, a complete photo editing app comes into play. That's why I have explored various options to find the best photo editing apps. With that said, let's check him out. First off, I would like to talk about Snapseed. Google-owned Snapseed offers a wide range of exposure and color tools to let you edit your images with better control. Moreover, it also has plenty of filters from vintage styles to modern, punchy HDR looks so that you can beautify your shots like a pro. Besides, you can even layer the effects up to create some interesting edits on your image. Another feature worth taking note of is the face enhance that can let you add focus to the eyes and add face-specific lighting or smooth skin. Times when you want to make your shots look super attractive, the face enhance can have a role to play. What's more, it also has a super handy feature called Face Pose, which you can use to correct the pose of portraits based on 3-dimensional models. And best of all, Snapseed is totally free, which is a big plus if you are hunting for a top-notch photo editing app for your iPhone or iPad without having to shell out any bucks. Next up, I would like to talk about Adobe Photoshop Express. Photoshop Express has a huge roster of top-notch photo editing tools including exposure, contrast, and color editing options. It's a great app for tweaking your images to bring out their best, but you will also find a pretty good selection of filters and overlay textures. Even better, you can use this noted photo editing app to create a photo collage, generate memes, fix and enhance your share-worthy moments for stunning social media content. Not to mention, you can even use it to fix crooked images or distorted camera angles with just a few taps. Besides, it also offers a neat way to erase background noise and smooth over imperfections with a few simple swipes. Taking everything into account, Adobe Photo Express deserves to be rated as one of the finest photo editing apps for iOS and iPadOS. Next up, I would like to talk about Pixar. Pixar has long been a popular photo editing app. The app has a huge range of editing tools available to you, from basic adjustments like exposure and contrast through to cinematic color grading and dramatic filters that transform your images into painting like pieces of art. Besides, Pixar also has lots of options for both the tone and shape of your face in selfies. Though I won't go into the ethics of using these tools for beauty purposes, I had fun in using the tools to make photos appear gorgeous. Furthermore, Pixar also has a whole Instagram-style social sharing element if you are interested in that. Everything considered, Pixar has checked off all the boxes to be one of your favorite photo editing apps, especially if you have a liking for creating eye-catching posts for social networking sites. Next up, it's time to talk about Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom remains an industry standard for professional photographers, and the mobile version is much the same. You'll find no stickers, animations, or emoji here, but you will get the fine-grained control over your image and the same set of tools you would find in Lightroom on desktop. It's the app I use the most to edit my own images on my iPhone and iPad, not least because the images sync in the cloud, letting me start on one device and continue on another. Notably, Lightroom editing app provides an easy-to-use video and photo editing tools to enhance your images with camera filters, object removal, background fine-tuning. Moreover, it also has a wide range of presets to quickly add adjustments that bring your photos to life, all in one editing app. Give it a try, and I'm sure you would fall in love with it. Finally, I would like to talk about Prisma. Prisma doesn't deal with subtle filters and basic image corrections. Instead, its neat filters will transform your images into often awesome artistic creations. The results have a painterly effect, and indeed many filters are inspired by artists such as Salvador Dali and Picasso. The filters are strong. While you can trick them, not every filter will work with every image. I found some to be more suited to portraits, while other filters work best with landscapes. However, no one can deny the fact that Prisma is a great photo editing app, especially for folks who want to have artistic photos. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best photo editing apps for iPhone and iPad. Now that you have picked a handy photo editor, get the most out of it to craft awesome images. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more cool tips. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.